Foreign Investor Summit 2025, organized by BRAC EPL, comes at a very crucial time. Bangladesh now stands ready to continue to build on its very important achievements over the last 5 decades in development, growth, in human capital and in social indicator. Bangladesh has very strong growth drivers inbuilt, young workforce, geopolitically important, geostrategically important location, growing consumer market, very strong experience in manufacturing, and also its experience in the global markets with regard to global value chain participation through the apparels. It now has a critical need to bring in more investment, foreign and local, and also foreign portfolio investments, as there is a need for billions of dollars in long-term financing, infrastructure, logistics, energy, technology in manufacturing, the future-ready digital economy. And there are also opportunities growing for strategic investment through privatization, PPP, and merger and acquisition. So altogether, Bangladesh is the future of Asia's investment destination, and to present that to our global partners, to global investors, particularly the investors from Japan, where a country with which Bangladesh shares very strong bonding, and a country with which Bangladesh is now negotiating its first economic partnership agreement. This is a great and timely effort, and I wish all the success, and I invite the Japanese and global investors to come and be part of this Bangladesh's growth journey.